Okay, welcome back. We have already created our EC2 instance, so now we're on this step here. We need to install Apache Web Server. Now you can see it's called Apache Web Server. So Apache is a very popular software that you can use to host your own website. It's the one that is going to serve the pages to people anytime they try to come to your website. Without Apache, or at least without a web server, you won't be able to host your website on a server. Another popular web server is called Nginx, but here we're going to use Apache. So let's head back to our management console and install the web server. So here we are. I'm going to clear my screen. Again, this is all about Linux. If you don't understand anything about Linux, you won't be able to do this step. You just have to copy and paste the instructions. So usually the first thing you do is to update your server. So I'm going to do sudo yum update, and I say -y so that it doesn't wait for me to put yes. So basically, Linux is downloading all the patches, all the security patches, and making my system to be updated. This is the best practice. Anytime you create a new Linux server, make sure that it is all properly patched with all the security patches that need to be configured. So give it a few minutes or seconds and it should be ready, and we'll continue when it's ready. Okay, it's ready. Now I have my shell, so I can type again. To make my screen look nice or look clean, I'm just going to type clear. Now I'm going to install the web server. I will do sudo yum install httpd, and again I'll put -y. So we're using this command called yum, which is used to install software on Red Hat based distributions. So we say yum, we say install httpd. The name of the Apache web server on Amazon Linux is called httpd. So basically we're going to install our web server. So just wait for it. Again, when it's ready, it will give me my shell back. And it's ready. That was very quick. So my web server has been installed, but is it running? If it's not running, I won't be able to use it to host my website. So the first thing I want to do is check sudo service. Again, this is the Linux command that helps you to check if a service is running or not. So it says that it's not running. It basically said dead, inactive. So let's start it. Again, that's how to start a service, and after that you check the status again. Now it's happy, it's all green, active, running, unlike before. It was dull. Now it's active, it's green, it's looking good. Okay, very good. We have a website configured. How do we know if it's running? How do we test it? Come here, get the IP address here, copy the IP address. Remember, it has to be the public IP address. There's public, there's private. Make sure it's the public. And hit enter. Yeah, now we have our website. Because before now, we have already configured the security group to allow connection from the website, from HTTP and HTTPS. So now we have a test page, looking good. But this is not a website that we actually want to see. This is not the page that we like to see. So let's go ahead and configure the website that we would like to see displayed here. But before that, we'll have another couple of steps to do. So I hope to see you in the next video.